Hello, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a comparison review between two leading AI copywriting tools, Jasper AI and Anyword. If you're in the market for an AI-powered writing assistant, you're in the right place. The links to Jasper AI and Anyword are in the description. Starting with Jasper AI, this platform has gained popularity for its intuitive interface and powerful features. Upon visiting their landing page, you're greeted with a sleek design and high user ratings, boasting 4.8 out of 5 stars with thousands of reviews. Jasper AI offers a wide range of templates categorized into various topics, making it easy to generate content for blogs, social media, emails, and more. One standout feature of Jasper AI is its chat box functionality, which provides real-time assistance and suggestions akin to having a writing coach by your side. On the other hand, Anyword also impresses with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive set of tools. While it may not have a chat box like Jasper AI, Anyword compensates with features like SMS, ideas, data-driven editor, and website-targeted messaging. The platform's blog wizard guides users through the content creation process, offering keyword suggestions and predictive performance scores to optimize for SEO. When it comes to pricing, both platforms provide flexibility with monthly subscriptions and the ability to cancel anytime, ensuring that users can find a plan that fits their budget and needs. In terms of plagiarism detection, both tools pass the test with flying colors, assuring users that the generated content is original and authentic. So, which is the best AI copywriting tool? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific requirements and preferences. If you value a chatbox feature and a wide array of templates, Jasper AI may be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with comprehensive tools like SMS and targeted messaging, Anyword could be the better fit. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.